Mga kapuso, doon na ba mo'y gisat nga timeline aron i-achieve ang inyong #goal sa life? O dili ba kaha, target nga age o tuig kailangan nga ma-achieve na ninyo ang inyong dream goal? Like at the age of 25, dapat na anak ko'y 1 million pesos sa akong bank account. Wow, kalamihan ano? O pag abot og 28 years old, dapat na anak ko'y house and lot. Aba kung wala pa mga kapuso, let's hear the success story sa usa ka Dabawenya nga at the age of 22, Chief Executive Officer o CEO na. Atong makauban si G. Jihan Laput. It's a great morning, Miss G, ug welcome sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Kamusta ka?
Hello po, Sir Jill, and I'm okay. Kumusta po din? Hello sa tanang mga viewers of At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Well, it's a great morning kay makauban ka na mo og okay lang pud ko.
Yeah.
Og makabilib gyud no, Miss G, at the age of 22 aduna na kay kaugalingong negosyo. And with that, please tell us your inspiration sa pagtukod og negosyo ug paunsa nimo kini gisugdan.
When I was in college, I'm already very into online selling. Maka-remember pa jud ko when I was in college, every time mahuman ko klase, magdali-dali din ko ana og sakay og bangka pa adtog bangkerohan kay mangukay lagi og mga sinina na ibaligya online. So kahit bata pa ako, I'm very into the idea of online selling na magdala-dala pa gani ko ana og dagko na sako bag na halos lukdoon na nako pabalik sa boarding house nako before. Very business-minded jud kaayo. But even though business-minded ako, never ko talagang na-imagine na magkakaroon ako ng sarili kong skincare line. Dahil before, since I was in high school, napakadami kong tigyawat sa cystic acne, kumbaga. So syempre, diba, nakakahiya naman na magbenta ng mga beauty products and I look like that. Hindi ko siya naisip before, never in my wildest dreams. So nakapagtapos ako ng kolehiyo, naging isang radio DJ ako at doon ako naka-meet ng different manufacturers na nag-offer sa akin to try their beauty products. Naging maganda yung resulta sa akin, kaya naisip ko na bakit hindi ko ibenta? Kasi parang it's like hitting two birds in one stone na kumikita ka na, nakakatulong ka pa.
Wow, og dili gid ka tingalahan na Miss Gino nga murag kutis artista gid ka.
Ay, thank you, Chap.
And hopefully no maka
Pinabilter. F na F naman.
makasundog mismo sekreto no para nice mo kayo mong kutis sama nimo.
Mo nang giingon Sir Jill na pakigmay na.
Pero unsa bang sagad yung mga encounter ni mga challenges along the way o paunsa pud mo ni gi-handle sa imong first business?
Pipila pa lang jud mi ka beauty brand sa market ato. And looking at today's beauty business, we are hundreds and thousands of beauty brands sharing the same market. The competition is really hard, that it will force you to evolve and to grow as a brand.
Og sa imong success sa business no, unsa na ba imuhang mga nakita nga murag product or naipundar na nimo tungod sa imong negosyo?
So I've been in this business for almost 5 years na. Nakabalay na ko on my own, na anak ko yung mga kaugalingong sakyanan, investment sa yuta. Ang pati akong family, natagaan na po na ako sila og sarili nilang balay, na ano po sila ilang mga sakyanan. And of course, nakahimo po ko og laing brand.
Wow, syempre goal po na no sa mga kabataan karon nga at your age sama nimo sa unang kapag provide na ka for yourself, for your family ug syempre sa uban pod nga naga-depend lang pod sa imuha. Oo. Pero kamusta ba nimo suporta sa imong mga ginikanan nga sa sayong edad independent na ka o aduna na kay kaugalingon nimo nga negosyo?
My mama, my papa, my ate, my family, they've always been very supportive and proud of me. They celebrate all my victories, even how small it seems. They always believe in my potential, in my leadership, and they trust my decision making. My family, Jill, humbles me. Kaya I never ride the high horse.
And lastly, Miss G, do you believe in destiny or what do you think is the most important thing to be a successful in business?
I believe in destiny, definitely. I even believe in good luck. But yung pinaka-pinaniniwalaan ko talaga, Jill, ay hard work. And that you believe in yourself. Some people think that in order to be successful, you need validation from a lot of people. When in real life, there will be many, many times that you will only have yourself believing in everything that you can do. And honestly, trust me, the moment that you start putting your dreams in action, that's the time that you automatically radiate this kind of energy that make everyone feel that you deserve their support. They give it to you automatically because you earned it dahil masipag ka. Don't wait for an opportunity to come along your way. Don't wait for someone to knock on your door. In life, dili kailangan na we have plans for everything. Sometimes you just have to surprise yourself kaysa negosyo manggod, sa success, sa career, or whatever dream that you have in your heart. There's never the right time to do it. There's only time, and what you do with it, that is the only thing that matters.
Wow, that's a strong message for everyone, Miss G. Dahan kayo
Yes,
salamat. Og padayon sa paghatag
Thank you so much, Sir Jill.
Yes, ag continue sa paghatag og inspirasyon sa mga buot pod mo asenso sa pagnegosyo. Ug unta no, makatry po ko gamit ani mga skincare essentials.
Sige, sure. Para daghan ta mo gwapa ug mo anyag ug magka-love life pud ta tanan.
Oo,
Ano
puhon
lang.
sana all. Thank you, Miss G.
Sana all
Ingat.
moments. Thank you so much, Sir Jill, and thank you so much sa tanan natang viewers.
Mga kapuso, chillax lang mo. Mubalik pa ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.